Good morning! It's 8:20, Sunday morning. Lit my candles. Oh, look how nice it looks. It does look like a little fire. And I am doing something which I really should have done a long time ago, but I've just been really lazy. And as it's Sunday morning, I thought I'd do it with potential to keep doing it, with potential to evolve into the next evolution of doing it. Oh my god, Laura, what are you talking about? Yeah. Washing my vegetables. Look. Because Jessica actually, she was like, I've been soaking my vegetables. I'm like, washing them properly. And I was like, oh, I should do that. So after Bill, the water guy, was over the other day and I saw how much ick came off the vegetables. And I was like, okay. One, need to get the Kangen water filter so that I can use the, I think it's the acid water, I can't remember, there's the special water that like takes off the gunk off of vegetables. But in the meantime, I can wash them, because I haven't been, I've been rinsing them, definitely been rinsing them, but honestly, does that do anything? It's debatable. So now I am putting my, not the best, filtered water, but not terrible filtered water, kind of slightly above neutral. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out, when was it? I don't know, 3 days ago? 4 days ago, so I don't know. This week, Bill came over. So anyway, you'll know more about that soon, because I hopefully will be getting the filter and telling you lots more about imports of water. And I bought this at the co-op last night, but then I went in the drawer, I found I already had one. I'd obviously had this idea before that I'd just not done. Lazy. So I'm gonna start washing my veggies and see what happens. So it currently looks like this. This is gonna take a while. And then I didn't have a brush, and I actually saw a little mushroom brush. Those little mushroom brushes. Debating whether to use this, which is, if you've been watching me, which is my like self-massager, it's becoming, but I don't really want to use it for my vegetables. I do have more of these, but still. But I feel like I do need something to scrub them with. What do you think? I got my little candles out. It's definitely candle season. Spray on the stuff, I guess. Maybe I should read the instructions. Generously spray, rub for 20 to 30 seconds, rinse thoroughly. So, I'm gonna finish washing the rest of my vegetables and I'll see you for breakfast. So the verdict on the veggie wash is me. Don't honestly think it really makes a difference, or maybe I'm just not using it well. Kind of feels like it leaves a layer on, and these, they look clean, but they still feel waxy. So I don't think that this is gonna be doing it for me, honestly. And the water is like, yeah, it's got a little bit of dirt, but nothing really. Grasshopper. Yeah. Did you come out of my vegetables? Where did you come from? Well, it's a good job I washed them, I guess. Okay, I'm going to take you outside. In the garden. Can you crawl out now? There you go. And breakfast is ready. Yum. So exciting. Just went to see if there are any packages outside, and there are. So I thought I'd open them. Here, so I'm gonna prop you up here. And while we're at it, unpack the Pier 1 stuff to show you. So I've got my cup of tea, hoping this is gonna be my phone case. Is it? No. It's got a card in it. Oh, thanks, Jen. From Jen Mazer. Oh, leg warmers. These, actually two of the same. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. This is the vitamin C serum from 100% Pure. Love it. Oh, open. Oh. I'm like, oh, it's really colorful. It's cute. The EMF protectors, oh, and they're really pretty. They're from Quantum Science. I can't tell you if they're good yet because I haven't used them. I just found them on Amazon and I thought they looked pretty good. You can't really see that, it's just the label, but this is what they, and I just thought they were two really pretty. Look at that. These are little EMF foam protectors. Now, don't ask me how these work, because I can't really tell you, but I do know that I feel the difference. Oh, yay! I have been wanting an autumnal bowl ever since autumn started. Check it out! Isn't that so cute? Perfect for Laura-sized salads. Look! Isn't that cool? I don't really need to tell you what that is, do I? It's a Halloween table runner. This I'm excited for. Ding! Again, this was on clearance. I found it for half price, which was kind of crazy because they had these on regular sale, like normal. I don't know why it was half price. Candle holder. What else have we got? We've got. It's a skeleton candle holder. Oh no, there's something else in here. What do you? Oh, kind of got these thinking of Caitlin and me because I'm, as you know, very into these little creatures. Look at them. I just think they are so cute except they're dropping feathers. Probably not real feathers. But really cute. Little pine cones and I guess I could have just got this in the park. But there's also gold acorns. The sun is coming out. That's so nice. So despite feeling like I got quite a few things, I still feel like my house is kind of empty. Empty of the fall feeling, apart from over here, which looks so exciting. Look, I guess I should light that candle for full effect. Look how pretty. We got these. A little autumn leaf here, there, and in here we've got these. Yeah, those lights, they just need new batteries. So I need to change the batteries. So anyway, I want to ankle weight. I just switched my phone over. So now this is my phone. It happened right at 12 o'clock. There's a little guy gone. He was like sitting in there for ages. Oh, there you are. What are you doing? What are you doing? Aren't you going to jump away? It's 1:20. We need to leave the house in 10 minutes. Time for salad. Beef ragu. Yum. So I'm gonna eat and then get ready to leave out of the house, and it's nice. It's really nice. So walking to the subway, I'm slightly late. I'm gonna get this hair sorted out, and then maybe meet up with Jess. Also, probably meet up with Natasha. Going to Orky. Those are the plans, and yeah. That's the plan. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Chinatown. Okay, so hair is done. What do you think? I don't know how to tell with my bag and my coat. So now, what to do? I'm going to wander around a little bit and then I'm going to go find Natasha before we head up to Orkney and maybe see Jess. I'm waiting for her to text me back. Jess, where are you? To H&M and got a few things, which is nice. I'm having before. So now I'm walking to Natasha's. So New York City. Wow, these stairs are steep. With Natasha. We just hung out in her apartment for all of about, what, 5 minutes?
Power hangout.
Really cute, very New York City-y. And it's still light. It's really nice. Considering it's been so gross this past couple of days.
I know. When I woke up this morning, I was so happy about that.
Yay! Caitlin.
I like this. Yay.
Good, Dana. Vlogging in the toilet. Not in the toilet.
Toilet vlog. Oh yeah. Good angle.
Yeah. Cute hat, Natasha.
Thank you.
Get in my shoulder.
Oh.
Interesting. Is this new?
You should try this. Thing in the shoulder.
It's not really appealing to me as a general.
Oh, it's really good.
It sounds weird, but it's not.
Oh, actually, if you like get in there.
Yeah, I believe it. It's so awkward.
No, it's like no. Once you're there, it's not really.
No, but I like your scarf. Look at that.
I just got it at Target.
It's totally awkward.
Look at my shoulders. You can't see it from the camera. This one is
See in there.
totally lower. Isn't it good?
It's actually in this neck spot, like where the neck meets the shoulders, where it's getting feels really good. It's pretty. No, I really, is this new?
No.
Maybe.
Bye. Oh, you're not. You're staying. You're coming. Coming. Yay. Bye. Me hungry. Me hungry. Hungry. So I'm home and about to have a bath. I just lit the candles. Picked up some flowers, which is and got my, can you see that? I don't know if you can see. My exfoliating body scrub. 100% pure cleanser. And this, which I haven't used in ages. Transforming cleansing clay from Suki. And pure deep sea mud mask. So I'm going to get in the bath and decide what I'm going to use. So I think I'm going to end this vlog because after I get in the bath I'm going to maybe rub on some balls and then go to sleep. Yeah. Sweet dreams. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for tomorrow's fun adventures and I'll see you tomorrow.